guys, it's Crafty Kid Studio, and today we're going to show you how to make a polymer clay baby. Alright, so first you're going to make your head of your baby, and so you can get some clay that's like a skin color. We got some tan clay like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll it into a ball, and you're going to take off a piece of the clay, and that's going to be the nose, so make sure it's not too much. So you're going to start rolling it into a ball. Okay, and with the nose piece, you want to roll it into a ball. And you're just going to press it on your head and just kind of press it down to make it a little flatter. Alright, and we have a tack like this. And what you're going to do is just poke a hole under the nose. And this is going to look like the pacifier. Okay, so underneath the pacifier, we're going to start making an indentation, kind of like this. Like this. Okay, and we have this stick, kind of like a popsicle stick, and you're just going to want to place it in there, like this.
We're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 225 degrees.
Okay, so we took it out of the oven, and it's hardened now. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to get some aluminum foil and just wrap it around the popsicle stick, and you're just going to make pretty much like a body shape. And you're not going to see this because we're going to have it covered up by some fabric. Like this. Alright, so I got a pen and now I'm just going to draw the eyes. And so we're going to have it look like it's sleeping. So I'm just kind of drawing it, the eyes like this. And I'm just going to make eyelashes. Like that, and then let's make some eyebrows. Okay, so we cut about 5 inches of fabric, and we have blue fabric here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to glue it onto the baby's head. Right at the top, just like this. And we're using hot glue here. And we put like a little fold there, but you don't really have to do that. Put some on the sides so the sides will stay. One more on the other side. Alright, so now you're going to put some glue on the back of the head and just shove the top down like that. And then we're going to put some on the fabric that glued down, and our sides are going to go down like that. And then we're going to do the other side as well. Like this. Okay, so you want to get a square piece of fabric, and we are using blue, but you can use a different color. And you want to glue the top like that, and you're just going to place your baby there, and then you're going to go to the bottom, put some glue on the aluminum foil, and fold it up like that. Okay, so now you're going to go to the sides, and you're going to fold it in just a little bit like this. And you don't need to glue this down. And then you're going to wrap it over the body. And to keep it down, use some glue. Like that. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold in a little bit. And then wrap it up. like that. This is how our babies turned out.
Anyways, I hope you like our video. Please subscribe.
And check out other videos on our channel. Bye!